Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope that you're having a great day today. I am going to do this week's meal prep with all of our leftover Thanksgiving food. I hope that you had a great Thanksgiving, ate tons of food. I sure did. I had a great time spending it with family. So I'm going to do the meal prep this week. I'm going to do stuffed peppers. I have all my bell peppers. I have leftover turkey. It was so delicious on Thanksgiving. I have my mashed potatoes. I have frozen chopped spinach. And I have some shredded mozzarella cheese and a can of diced tomatoes. So I'm gonna use all these leftovers for this meal prep for the week. I will put the recipe for this in the description box, so check that out if you wanna make this one. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my other videos if you haven't already done so. So I will start getting the bell peppers ready. I have the oven preheating right now to 350 degrees. So I'm going to get these ready. I'm gonna cook them first before I put the filling inside. So we'll get that going. All right, I have all of my bell peppers ready to go. So I've cut the tops off and then cleaned out the seeds and the filling. So I'm going to brush a little bit of olive oil in each bell pepper, and then I'm going to cook them in the oven for 20 minutes before I add the filling. And then once I add the filling, I'm going to put them back in the oven again for another 15 minutes to get them cooked all the way through. All right, while the bell peppers are cooking, I am going to make the mixture that I'm going to put inside for the filling. So I have my chopped up turkey, I have frozen spinach that is thawed, and have a can of diced tomatoes and some mozzarella cheese. So I'm going to add all that in and mix it all together, and it'll be ready to put into each bell pepper once those are ready. So the bell peppers have cooked for 20 minutes in the oven. They've cooled a little bit, and now I'm going to put the filling inside. So I'm going to stuff each pepper with the turkey, spinach, tomatoes, and a little bit of cheese. So I'll stuff each one. All right, they're all stuffed, so now I'm going to put a little bit of the mashed potatoes on top of each bell pepper. Once I have that done, I'm going to add on the shredded mozzarella cheese, and I'll put these back in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes, and they'll be cooked all the way through and perfect for our meal prep for the week. Alright, so the stuffed bell peppers are all done. They have been cooling, so now I'm going to portion them into my meal prep containers, the same ones that I use every week. I absolutely love these. You can get them on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description if you need some. These are great. They're glass, perfect size for breakfast and lunch. So I'm going to add in the bell peppers, and our lunch will be portioned out for each day this week. And now we don't have to worry about what we're going to have for lunch. All right, our healthy lunch is ready for the week. This is such a great recipe to use those leftover Thanksgiving foods, the turkey, the mashed potatoes. So this is gonna be really great to have for this week. Check the description box for the recipe, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my other videos. I hope that you have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.